My two monitors are plugged in there, and the power cord. That was it. And it got other ports if you wanna plug stuff in. I like it because it had two HDMI ports, because that's what my monitors are, HDM, and I programmed it to HDM 1 and 2, and it's perfect.
You plug the device right into the Mac, into one of the USB slots. You download the software off the website, which takes about 2 seconds. And as you see here, I have all my devices plugged into this thing, even my external speakers. And then you get this. Excellent. This is an excellent device. So if you have a MacBook 2 or Mac 1 or whatever, I would highly advise getting this. It turns your MacBook into a beast.